In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Google Ads campaign status. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to confirm whether a campaign is active, paused, or deleted, and you'll understand what each status really means so you can stay confident about what's running in your account. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click Campaigns. This takes you into the Campaigns area where you manage everything at the campaign level. Depending on your view, you might first land on an overview page. If that happens, click the Campaigns tab again at the top of the page. That ensures you're looking at the full table that lists all your campaigns in one place. In that table, focus on the column labeled Status. This is where Google Ads shows the current state of each campaign at a glance. If you see enabled, that campaign is turned on and eligible to serve ads. You'll often notice a green indicator next to it, which is a quick visual cue that the campaign is active. If you see paused, the campaign is temporarily stopped. It won't deliver impressions or spend budget, but all of its settings and performance history are preserved, so you can resume it later without rebuilding anything. If you see removed, sometimes referred to as deleted, the campaign has been turned off permanently. Removed campaigns won't serve ads, and while you can still view their past performance, you won't reactivate them as is. You'll typically see these statuses for every campaign in the list. If you recently enabled a campaign, the status column will reflect that change as enabled, and you may notice it within moments. Keep in mind that even when a campaign is enabled, actual serving can depend on other factors like targeting, bids, and creative approvals. But the status itself is your primary confirmation that the campaign is allowed to run. If you have many campaigns, scanning the status column is the fastest way to confirm what's live versus what's paused or removed. The list view makes it easy to compare multiple campaigns side by side and quickly spot anything that's not enabled. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Ads account, click Campaigns, click the Campaigns tab to see the full list, and check the status column to confirm whether each campaign is enabled, paused, or removed. With this quick check, you'll always know exactly what's running in your account.